Good morning, sir. We are Group 9 and we will going to present the point of sale or POS of Popeyes.
Good morning, sir. I am Roby Mari Sanchez and I will discuss the current POS used by Popeyes. The current model being used for Popeyes POS system is the NCR Rail POS XR5. The NCR Rail POS XR5 is a point of sale terminal known for its eco-friendly features and sleek design. It's equipped with a multi-touch screen making it easy to use for various tasks. The XR5 utilizes the latest quad-core Intel Celeron processor, which is based on System-on-Chip (SoC) technology. This not only ensures high energy efficiency but also maintains lower operating temperatures while delivering uncompromised performance. Overall, the XR5 stands out in the POS market due to its combination of design, punctuality, and quality. Next slide, please.
Suisa Andres speaking po. So ang POS ng Popeyes is kailangan niyang nakakonect sa internet and meron ding nakakonect dito na maliit na monitor para nakikita ni customer kung ano yung pinapunch ni cashier. And kung ano yung nakikita ni customer, nakikita rin to ni cashier para na-check din niya kung tama ba yung mga pinapunch ng order ng customer. And pipindutin lang niya dito yung nasa babang color white na nakalagay is receipt para automatic na tong nagpiprint ng resibo. And nakakonect na rin to sa kitchen display nila. So habang pinapunch sa POS yung order, lumalabas na rin to sa loob ng kitchen nila. And makikita na rin sa POS nila yung summary ng sales nila. So gagamit lang si manager ng swipe card para makita na yung summary ng sales nila sa isang araw. Next po.
Advantage. The real POS XR5 is an energy efficient, fanless, and multi-touch point of sale terminal package with an all-in-one design. So yung XR5 is, yung specs niya ay napakaganda or maganda nga dahil kaya niyang mag-handle ng multiple tasks. Yung disadvantage niya is some of its user try to open NCR Real POS XR5 and then it shows a message that terminal offline. This problem may interfere with their job by taking orders and for them to take orders too long. So yung disadvantage niya is yung ibang users nito ay nahihirapan na halimbawa pag nag-update siya ng biglaan, minsan nagtatagal yung process nila ng pagkuha ng orders at syempre bilang halimbawa customer ako, tas nakita kong matagal yung pag-process nila ng order is syempre mainis ako. So next slide please.